Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope my all friends are good. God bless you, always be happy. So viewer, first of all, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crochet Pattern Design Ideas. Lovely viewers, thankful to you for subscribe my channel and watching all my previous videos. And also think about, I have brought it for you most gorgeous, unique and splendid crochet baby shoes pattern design ideas. Baby shoes search tiny Prior Yuri in for a treat. There are so many adorable crochet designs out there. To give you some inspiring ideas, here are a few popular style and element you could consider. These are timeless with their little strap and button. You can play with different color for the shoes and the strap. Miniature version of high top or low top with constructing soles and even like little crocheted laces. Imagine tiny shape or star embellishment. Simple booties with cuff. A basic booty shape with a folded down or ribbed cuff adds a touch of elegance and can help keep them on little feet. It's an amazing collection. This article most so amazing, so stunning ideas. Thin bear ears, bunny ears, little elephant trunks, or even tiny cat faces on the toys. These are always a hit. This article most so amazing, so stunning ideas. Fun and playful design that resemble animal like bunnies, bear, or foxes. You can embroider the eyes and nose for added details. These offer a cozy traditional look with a stitched front flap, earth tone color like tan, chocolate brown work great, add fringe or a small button for embellishment. Bright and cheerful, thin strawberries, pineapples or watermelon, ideal for summer babies or fun photo shoot. Perfect for dreamy baby look. Princess slipper with glittery ornament, crown button, unicorn shoes with a horn and pastel mane, or elf booties with colored toys and tiny bells. Designed for warmth and comfort during cold month, ribbed cuff help the booties stay on little feet. Use thick, soft yarn natural or cool tones like grey, white, or ice blue. Clean simple line with subtle elegance. Use solid natural shades such as baked white or soft olive accent like a small leather tab or wooden button. Give a modern finish. Crochet baby shoes inspired by popular characters like Mickey Mouse, Hello Kitty, or Minions. These designs often include character specific color, airs, or facial features to bring them to life. So dear friend, if you want to complete visiting my YouTube channel Crochet Pattern Design Ideas, this is very beautiful amazing design. I hope you will enjoy these amazing ideas. You can see beautiful and stunning design ideas. You know guys, different people have different choice. So guys, share the video with your friend, family who want crochet baby shoes pattern design ideas. So guys, like my video, subscribe my channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon for new latest update. Be connected with me, remember me in your prayer friends. See you soon. Allah Hafiz and take care. Allah bless you.